Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload music to Spotify. So when you go and say upload music to Spotify, there are two different meanings for this. Either you may be an artist who wants to upload their music track they've gone and created on Spotify, or you may just have your own local files on your computer which you want to go and add to Spotify to then go and listen. So just for yourself. So if you are an artist, you want to go and upload sort of music you've got and created, then you can go and do that. All you need to do is head to this page here which is getting music on Spotify. So it's actually get your music onto Spotify. You are going to go need a distributor. As you can read here, it says distributors handle music licensing, distribution and paying streaming royalties. Work with a distributor to get music on Spotify. And yeah, there is a bit information about it, and you can go and see Spotify's preferred and recommended the distributors if you are interested in getting your own music onto Spotify. So for the second part of this video, what I mean by uploading music Spotify is literally adding it from your computer to Spotify. Only you can listen to it on your account. It works really well because sometimes not all music on Spotify, but you are going to have the audio file on your computer which you want to go and listen to. So all you need to do is go to the top right of the Spotify and tap on your username like this. And also if you want to do this on a mobile device, you also can. So for now, go and tap on settings like this and scroll down until you go into the option for local files. And what you need to do is switch on show local files just like this, and then we've got a few different options here. And then what you need to do is go down and show songs from, because this is where Spotify is actually going to be searching these locations for music. So if you can't see a location which you've got music in, go and tap on add a source like this, and what you need to do is go and find the folder which you have music in. For example, you have it in your music folder. In your documents, you could tap there and then go and press OK, and then Spotify is going to search that place for music. Then make sure it's toggle on here as well. Then once you've gone and set this up here, you are probably wondering how can I go and actually view the music tracks as well. All you need to do is go to the top left and tap on your library. And then what you need to do is tap on local files, and this is going to show you files from your computer. So go and tap on this here, then go and scroll down, and as you can see, these are all the files which Spotify has gone and found on my computer in these locations, which I have gotten added in the local files section. So then go and find a song you want to go and add a playlist. For example, I'll go and add this top one here. Tap on three dots and tap on add to playlist, and then I'm going to go and add it to any playlist. And then it says add it to playlist. You can go over to the left and go to tap on guide like this and scroll down, and you will see your song here in this playlist. So you can play the song as well, and this song is just going to act like any other song which you may have added from Spotify directly. And as I said before, this is only going to appear for you on your computer. So if you wanted to go and do it on your mobile device, you have to go and add this song to your mobile device library first. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.